We're really, I guess, we want to send our good feelings towards you and hope that you're doing well.
I hope that you're doing well too. I'm very sorry to hear what happened. We all are. We're very worried.
If you want to say anything, go ahead.
What?
Hi. Okay. What are you writing?
Nihon, but I'm bad at it.
Yeah, really bad.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hi, people.
Adrian? Dante? Do you want to say anything?
I feel really terrible about that.
Did you call?
We are going on a field trip tomorrow.
I love Japan.
I hope you guys are doing awesome.
Beautiful smile.
Can I give him bunny ears?
I read maybe once a